Hi guys, this is Mittal and welcome back to my channel. I know we have a different setup right here. It is because I thought I might change it up a little bit rather than my usual background wall क्योंकि Instagram stories पे भी वही रहता है, यहाँ पर भी वही रहता है. But anyways, I am super excited because from this video I'm gonna start my birthday series. It's not like typically a series, but I know there are going to be a few videos regarding my birthday, so might as well call it a birthday series. But anyways, in today's video we are gonna do my 21st birthday glow up. So there are a few things that I am doing, have done, will do for my birthday glow up, like preparing me and my body, like mentally and physically, for my 21st birthday. So I thought that I will share it with you guys so that you all also know what all I have done. So the very first thing for my birthday glow up that I did was to get a haircut. Now my hair was really long. It almost came up till my waist, and as you can see now it comes here till my chest. I cut it really short. I really like this length of hair. Like, this is the perfect length of hair that I would like to keep permanently. And yeah, that is what I got done. I will insert before and after pictures right here. So that is how my haircut looked like. And if you guys want to know in detail what kind of cut I got, what all I did, I have a vlog which I posted just before this, so I will link it up here in case you guys want to watch it. So that is it. I got a haircut. I'm really happy with my haircut, really happy with the length of my hair, and really happy with the first step of my birthday glow up. So the next step that I did was today morning. Now I used activated charcoal powder for whitening my teeth. Now I usually don't use that because I would say it's not very it's very abrasive for your teeth, so using it on a regular basis I would not advise that. But I like to use it for teeth whitening on special occasions, and since it is my birthday, I started using it from today morning. Today is a Sunday and my birthday is on Thursday, but of course I'm going out on Wednesday, so like 3-4 days before I'm gonna just use it every single day to whiten my teeth, and I will insert clips of me doing it. Trust me, the results were amazing. So yeah, let's watch that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna brush my teeth with this charcoal powder. So this is the one I'm using. It is from Nature's Nest. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember for how much. I think 200 or 300 bucks, which I think is really good because the quantity is really great. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a wet toothbrush, like I've wet the top of my toothbrush, and I'm just gonna dip it in, and I'm gonna roughly brush it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the trick with this is that when you are using something harsh like a charcoal powder, of course it is harsh on your teeth, you need to use a brush which has softer bristles, so that you don't damage your teeth while using it. I'm just gonna rub it in. Now you can see there's a lot of charcoal powder. I'm gonna dust all the excess powder just by tapping it in, and I'm gonna start brushing it now. This is how my toothbrush looks. I don't know if you all will be able to see, but this is how it looks with the charcoal powder. I'm gonna start brushing it in. Okay, so I'm done rinsing my mouth, and I'm gonna go and brush my teeth with regular toothpaste, and I will show you guys the before and after. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you guys liked it. I will of course link the powder that I used down in the description box. It's really good, and if you have a special occasion, then you can definitely give it a try. Now next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my nails, but not right now. I'm going to paint them in the evening. So now we're going to continue this vlog style, as and when I do things for my glow up, I will show you guys. So please keep on watching. Hi guys, it's evening right now, and I'm so sorry there is a lot of noise, but I'm gonna quickly tell you guys what we are doing. So I'm gonna paint my nails today. That's the only thing I do. I don't like long nails, but ठीक है, थोड़ा paint तो कर ही सकते हैं. I don't know what color I will do, is because I don't use nail paints at all. So काफ़ी जो है, they might be dried or not. Let's see how I go about. I'll show you guys directly and talk to you guys when I show you guys my nails only. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my nail paint pouch. इसमें भी धूल लग गई है because I have not used this. I have not applied nail paint in 1 year. Can you guys imagine? Last birthday पे लगाया था, उसके बाद I have not applied nail paint. This was all my acne treatment and all of that. But anyways, let's see what all colors we have. Look at these. Like, can you see this? Oh my god, like पूरा ही बिगड़ गया है. This is gonna work. I know this is gonna work. Like, these nail paints are from US and these work so good. I have these for like 3 to 4 years and they are intact, dude. They will not dry down. इन पे तो मुझे पूरा trust है. But the only thing is the colors ना इसमें, I don't think they will suit what my outfits are. I think I'm gonna go in with this color. I'll just show you. Let me shake it. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's kind of like in burnt orange color. It's because the outfit that I am wearing on 18th is a burnt orange color, so it will complement it. So yeah, that is it. I am done with my nails. Now I'm gonna let this dry and let's continue with the video. Morning guys, it is the next day. I know I'm in the same clothes because I'm just gonna go and shower. So what I'm gonna do right now is do a little bit feet care, because I always ignore my feet. I do not take care of my feet at all. So I thought I will do like a little pedicure session. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna dip my feet in hot water till I take a bath like for the rest of my body, and then I'm gonna use a scrub. I'm gonna cleanse my feet and then I'm gonna use a scrub. Yeah, that's it, like the basic care, and then just like moisturize it. I'm not gonna show you like the whole process, but I will show you each part in certain clips. So yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, so sorry for the noise. I'm standing right next to the window, but I just got done waxing my body, so I waxed my hands and my legs, of course. I'm gonna show you now क्या दिखना है उसमें. And I also got my eyebrows and my upper lips done, but I got them threaded. I usually get my upper lips waxed and I wax my eyebrows on my own, but I got them threaded now. Quick story time. Let me just sit down and then talk to you guys. So, quick story time. I was someone who was always scared. I don't know why. I'll tell you why I was scared. Scared, actually. The reason I was scared to get my eyebrows threaded is because every single person I know in my life has scared me that it is very painful. You start crying. It's so painful. Oh my god. It's like terrible. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to go through that pain. Because I know, like, threading your upper lips, oh my god, that is so painful. So I was like, no, like, I'm not gonna get my eyebrows threaded because I don't want to go through that pain. I'm just might as well just wax them and get done with it in one go. But I was like, this time I'm gonna be very brave. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna see if it's very painful, then I might just stop it, but let's just give it a try. And girl, I got my eyebrows done without any pain. I am not kidding when I say I did not feel any kind of pain whatsoever. Not upside, not here downside, not here in between. No pain at all. So if you're someone who's scared because of that pain, please go for it. Okay guys, so it's time to do my facial right now. I am so excited. I have never gotten a facial done ever on my face, and I saw this quite a lot. If you've seen this on my Nykaa haul, you know what I'm talking about. But I've seen this quite a lot on like creators show this product, and I was really intrigued by it, and I really thought that it is a good product, so why not give it a try. And plus I've never gotten a facial done, so I thought might as well do something for my birthday. So I got this one. I'm sorry if it's inverted. This is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast facial kit. So it's like a 7-step facial kit, and it does come in 3 variants, but I really like this one, so that is why I picked this one. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the cleansing gel. All the packets are similar, so I'm gonna read it. Yeah, let's get started. Just apply to the entire content of the sachet over face and neck, massage gently, and wipe off with a damp cloth. Okay, I am done washing that gel off. Let me tell you, that thing contains menthol or like some cooling ingredient. I don't know what it contains because there are no ingredients written, but it definitely contains menthol or something similar, because the moment I applied it on my face, it did start tingling. I mean, I am fine with it, didn't do really much. It did provide a cooling effect, of course, but if you are someone who has sensitive skin, I would recommend you to use a sensitive skin variant. They do have a variant for sensitive skin, because I don't think this will suit you. So yeah, I'm done with the first step. Let's get started with the second step. The second step is an Oxyblast deep peel, which is basically going to exfoliate my skin. You need to massage it for 2 minutes with steam or 3 minutes without steam, and then just wipe it off. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Okay, done with the cleansing gel, and third step is a skin oxygenator, which is used after cleansing. It revives the skin and makes it look fresh. Active ingredients are zinc and cucumber extract. Basically, I think this is a toner. They asked to put on cotton pad and apply. I'm just gonna apply it with my hands. Now let's talk about the second product. I felt like it was a little, very, very minimally harsh, because I felt like पहले ही, oh my god, okay, yeah, this is a toner. The cleansing gel had menthol, and I felt like that is why I felt like the peel was a little harsh, and it felt like this area was a little bit sensitized, but nonetheless it felt really good, so I don't have any problem with that. This toner is also smells a little bit chemically, but okay, I'm just gonna pat all of it in. Next up, we have a rejuvenating serum which contains bisabolol and olive leaf extract. You just need to apply the sachet all over your face and neck, massage gently, and you need to leave it on. So that's what we're gonna do. It's a very like clear, like milky white serum, very fragrant. I think this is definitely not made for sensitive skin types. Even though it says all skin types, I think like if you have sensitive skin, please stay away. Okay, so the serum has dried out, so I'm gonna do step 5, which is a deep penetrating mask, and the active ingredient here is vitamin E. So you just need to keep this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna quickly do that and be right back. So it's like a very thick, creamy, lotiony mask. It smells exactly like a beauty parlor if you ever go and if they do your cleanup or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this on for 10 to 15 minutes and then see you guys. Guys, the moment I applied this around my nose, it started burning. I had to quickly remove it. So I feel like this is definitely not for sensitive skin types and not something I would recommend doing on a daily basis, like probably once a month, once in 6 months, or like me, just for special occasions. Okay guys, so I am done with that lotion gel, whatever it was. My skin feels really calm and soothed right now, except I don't know why it reacted around my nose, but it definitely feels very calm and soothing. And also I feel like my skin feels very clean and brightened up. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but I personally can really see the difference. So the next step I'm going to be using is an energizing cream, and active ingredient here is alpha arbutin. So I just need to massage the skin on my face until it gets absorbed, this cream, sorry. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, this is a very thick cream, very thick cream. Okay, so I think I've been massaging this for like 3 to 4 minutes, and I don't know if you can notice, but you see the shine, it's turned into like this very balmy, lotiony consistency, like very similar to a cleansing oil. So I don't know what it's supposed to do next, like if it's gonna get absorbed or not, but yeah, look, this is how it has turned out. Okay, so this oil is not going away, so I'm just gonna use this last step, which is the Radiance face mask. Active ingredients get aloe vera and Canadian willow herb, and you just need to apply it for 8 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. So yeah, let's do it. Oh yes, it's heavily perfumed, dude. It's heavily perfumed. Okay, I'm just gonna do it over my elbows as well because that is where I've been applying all the excess product. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it on for 8 to 10 minutes and see you guys then. Okay guys, so I'm done washing the last mask and feels really clean. The only thing that happened is my eyes started burning like crazy, which I think it is because of that arbutin serum which might have gone in my eye, which of course that is my mistake. So whatever, all of these products, just make sure you avoid your nose, like these sensitive areas around your nose, like the corners of your nose and definitely your eyes, but otherwise they are pretty good. I would say my face feels a lot cleaner, like deeply cleaned face. It definitely is brighter. I can vouch for that. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I can definitely see my face like nourished and brighter. So yeah, that was it. Will I repurchase this? Yes, I will. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do, but only for special occasions, not regularly. All in all, it's a good, okay product. Not very good, as like has a lot of fragrances, and it is very sensitizing. So yeah, I mean it's okay. So let's go ahead with the next step. Hi guys, so I just got back from college. Right now it is 4:10 and I am exhausted, but I need to shower, so I'm gonna go wash my hair right now. I'm gonna do a hair mask, which is the next step. So I'm gonna quickly like shampoo my hair first, and then I'll show you guys my hair mask routine. Hi guys, I am out of the shower. I've shampooed my hair and I'm going to use a hair mask right now. That's what I'm going to do. I love using a hair mask. I've been using a hair mask for 2 years now. I've stopped using a conditioner for 2 years, and I really like it. I just feel like it's worth the investment as compared to a conditioner because it doesn't really do much. So the one that I'm going to be using today is this. It is from Plum. It is their Plum Avocado Nourish Up hair mask. This is the second time I'm using it, so I don't really know what opinion I should form about it, but yeah, I it's a new purchase, so of course I'm gonna use that one, and I'm gonna start applying it just to the ends of my hair, just like this, and then just kind of massage all of it in. I'm sorry if I'm looking there, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a generous amount and start with it. Yeah, so I think I'm done with this hair mask. This is how it looks. It's made my hair like really thin, but I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it and see you guys. Hey guys, so my hair is quite dried right now. It's not like dry, it's still a little bit wet, but I let it air dry. I don't use any blow dry tools or anything, so I'm just gonna put some serum on it. I'm gonna be using this one. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, which is like really hyped one. It's a pretty good serum, I would say. It smells amazing, uh, must say that. And it's a good serum. It's like a very fancy serum, but okay, it's a good one. I would definitely repurchase it. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do, and I think that is it for my hair care. Okay guys, so this is going to be the last step to my glow up, and I'm gonna do some hairstyling. So I'm not someone who really likes like different hairstyles, and that is why you've never seen me in very different hairstyles. I like to do simple and basic hairstyle, and the only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna straighten my hair. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair in two parts. One I'm gonna tie on top, and first I'm gonna do the bottom hair and then the top hair. And yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I've partitioned my hair, half is up, half is down. I am gonna start straightening them. So sorry, I completely forgot to hit record, but I just used this Levon serum as a heat protectant because I don't have one and I've already straightened this section of my hair. So I'm gonna start doing this one right now. I'm just gonna give this like a very final touch, and just go in with this section again. In case I forgot to mention, I'm using the KEMI straightener from Amazon, and I'm keeping it on the lowest setting, which is 160 degrees. It's a really good straightener, and it's very affordable. I am done straightening these hair. As you can see, they're pretty straight. I don't want to go like overboard again and again. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत wavy है तो. Now I'm just gonna do my top hair, and yeah. Okay guys, I am done straightening my hair, and this is how they look. I am really happy. ये तो मेरे आगे के flicks है, but otherwise it is pretty much straight, and I'm really happy. थोड़ा भी नहीं है तो it's okay. I don't want to intensively put heat, and एकदम ही poker straight नहीं है तो चलेगा. But this is how they look, and I am pretty happy with the results. Sorry if I'm looking there, but yeah, I think that is it, and with this we wrap up this video. I know it is long, but I hope you guys enjoyed because I really enjoyed filming it and doing all the things for my globe. I usually don't do so much to myself, and I think I should do it more often, maybe every birthday or something. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.